This may surprise you, but here in Yellowstone County, flu season is just getting started.
Riverstone Health reports there are now more than 300 confirmed cases of influenza in Yellowstone County this season.
Now, half of those cases reported in the first 2 weeks of the new year, so health experts say the worst is yet to come.
Q2's Mitch Legge tells us why it's not too late to protect yourself and the people you love by getting a flu shot.
What I think is interesting is that this is the first year since I've been tracking it that we've seen influenza B circulating early in the season. Normally, it starts off with A and then we end up with B circulating late in the season. So that's something different.
In 2018, Yellowstone County saw 1,900 flu cases that resulted in 180 hospitalizations and 2 deaths. Experts say the earlier the better when it comes to getting a flu shot. But if you have not gotten one this year, it's better late than never.
And so by everybody getting immunized, you reduce the chance of people having influenza in the community, and that provides protection for those vulnerable people that can't get the vaccine.
Historically, Montana has seen its peak of flu cases in February and March. As the clock ticks down to those months, it's the newborn infants and the elderly that have the highest risk.
And those are, they're very vulnerable, and if they get the flu, they get really sick, and the outcome can be disastrous at times.
Riverstone staff say the tricky part about the flu is that you can be contagious for 24 hours before you feel the symptoms. If you experience labored breathing, headache, or body aches, it's time to get yourself to the doctor.
If you think you have the flu, you don't want to wait too long because we can give antivirals, and it can really decrease the length of the illness and somewhat of the severity of the illness too.
Protect the ones you love this season and get a flu shot. And if you do get sick, take care of yourself so you don't transmit to others. In Billings, Mitch Legge, MTN News.
All right, thanks so much, Mitch. Now, on top of a flu shot, experts say wash your hands a lot, cough into your elbow instead of your hand, and avoid touching your face.